Pula, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to, or he is going to learn how to cook. This will be his first time cooking, and this is normal in any Fijian family where as we grow up, we learn essential skills like washing dishes or washing the cloth, putting it out, hanging out to dry, cooking a simple meal. But for today, he will be learning how to cook. And what we're going to cook today, what are we learning? What are you going to cook today?
Chicken stew.
Chicken stew. Okay. So hope that you will enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe. And for those of you who have been following our channel, do you know what the Fijian word for cooking is? What is the Fijian word for cooking? Oh, yeah. Cooking?
Vakasanga.
Vakasanga. Spell Vakasanga.
Vakasanga.
There you go. So let's go. Vakasanga. Well, okay, that was nice. I had the stew afterward. Tasted yummy and delicious. He did very well. He passed his first cooking tryout with flying colors. So hope that this inspires you, Fiji parents out there. For those of us who have moved away overseas, that we can make that extra effort to pass on those skills to our children, the same way that it was done to us by our parents when we were growing up in our homes back in Fiji. And now we are thankful that they made the effort and they taught us those essential skills like cooking, washing the dishes, sweeping the house, going out to the garden to weed and uproot those cassava or dalo, or pluck a few leaves of mbele and roro and stuff like that. When we move away overseas, because of the way of life that is here compared to the one that we grew up in, we can miss that opportunity to pass on those essential skills to our children. And the way of life out here is mostly, if you don't cook, there are heaps of fast foods and McDonald's and KFC and stuff like that that people utilize, but if we make that extra effort to do or to pass on those skills, especially with cooking, the same way that our parents made the effort to teach us those skills, that's gonna really help our children in the long run, in their own lives later on, that they can go out and choose the ingredients that are needed to make those delicious, nutritious meals and cook it themselves. They will be grateful that we as parents took the time to teach them those skills. So hope that this video will inspire and motivate you to do that with your children and pass on those essential skills.